In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Alibaba products on Etsy. We'll go from finding a reliable product and supplier on Alibaba to creating a clear, compliant Etsy listing, and finally, how to fulfill orders smoothly with dropshipping. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Alibaba. Click the official result and log in to your buyer account. Once you're in, search for the type of product you want to sell. Compare a few options and look closely at pricing, minimum order quantities, shipping estimates, and reviews. Aim for products that aren't branded or trademarked, and make sure they fit Etsy's rules. Etsy is primarily for handmade, vintage, or craft supplies. So if you're selling manufactured goods, you must be transparent about your production partner and choose categories that are allowed. After selecting an item, open its product page and scroll to the Know Your Supplier section. Then click the supplier's name. On the supplier profile, review their years in business, response rate, certifications, and fulfillment capabilities. Use the Contact Supplier button to ask about dropshipping. Be specific. Confirm they can ship directly to your customer with neutral packaging, ask for delivery times to your target country, tracking options, sample availability, and whether they can lower the minimum order quantity. It's also helpful to request permission to use their product images or ask for high-resolution photos, clarify variations, and discuss handling defects or returns. Next, open a new tab and search for Etsy. Click the official site and log into your shop. From the Shop Manager, go to Listings and choose Add a Listing. Add your title, photos, and videos. Write a clear, keyword-rich title and upload images you took yourself or ones you have permission to use. In the description, include materials, dimensions, care instructions, and realistic shipping timelines based on what your supplier confirmed. Set your price to cover product cost, shipping, Etsy fees, and your profit. In the listing details, accurately indicate who made the item and disclose your production partner to stay compliant. Choose the right category, set inventory and variations, and create a shipping profile with processing times that match the supplier's capabilities. When everything looks good, click Publish. There's a small listing fee, so double-check your details before finalizing. Once the listing is live, keep an eye on messages and questions. When a customer places an order, submit the same order to your Alibaba supplier and enter your customer's address as the shipping address. Confirm the correct variant, request neutral packaging, purchase tracking, and share the tracking number with your buyer. Only mark the order as shipped on Etsy once the supplier confirms dispatch. Keep communication clear and timely, and you'll build trust while scaling your store.